As an electrical engineer, I've seen plenty of burnt-out motors, and in this video, we're going to break down exactly why electric motors burn out, and most importantly, how you can prevent it. Common causes of electric motor burnout. Here are some of the most common reasons electric motors fail. Overheating, overloading, poor maintenance, electrical issues, mechanical issues, environmental factors like dust and moisture. By tackling these issues early, you can extend the life of your motor and keep your equipment running smoothly. Let's dive into the details. Overheating. Overheating is one of the biggest culprits behind motor failure. It can be caused by high ambient temperatures, poor ventilation, running the motor beyond its rated capacity. How to prevent it? Ensure the motor is the right size for the load. Keep it well ventilated with good airflow. Avoid running it beyond its capacity. Overloading. Pushing a motor beyond its limit can lead to excessive heat and failure. This happens when it's forced to handle more than its rated workload. How to prevent it? Know your motor's capacity and stick to it. Use a soft starter or a variable frequency drive, VFD, to regulate speed and avoid sudden overloads. Poor maintenance. Neglecting routine maintenance can lead to dirt buildup, damaged bearings, and overheating. How to prevent it? Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Regularly clean the motor and remove dust or debris. Keep the bearings properly lubricated. Inspect for wear and tear frequently. Electrical problems. Wiring issues, voltage fluctuations, and electrical faults can make a motor operate outside its normal range, leading to burnout. How to prevent it? Ensure the motor is wired correctly. Keep the voltage within the manufacturer's recommended range. Use surge protectors or voltage regulators to prevent power surges. Mechanical issues. Improper installation, misalignment, and worn-out bearings can cause excessive wear and tear on the motor. How to prevent it? Make sure the motor is installed correctly. Regularly check alignment and fix any bearing issues as soon as they arise. Environmental factors. Dirt, dust, and moisture can creep into the motor, causing damage and corrosion. How to prevent it? Use protective covers or enclosures to keep out contaminants. Avoid exposing the motor to moisture to prevent rust and corrosion. How to prevent motor burnout? To keep your electric motor in top shape, follow these simple tips. Follow the manufacturer's maintenance schedule. Keep the motor clean and free of debris. Lubricate the bearings regularly. Ensure proper ventilation and airflow. Use the motor within its rated capacity. Avoid overloading. Inspect for wear or damage frequently. Fix mechanical issues as soon as they appear. Protect the motor from dust, dirt, and moisture. Use surge protectors to guard against electrical issues. Conclusion. Motor burnout is frustrating and costly, but the good news is, it's preventable. With proper maintenance and care, you can extend the life of your electric motors and keep your equipment running efficiently.